Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. I'm here to tell you about this beautiful 2018 Infiniti Q60 that we have for sale. This is the 3.0T model, all-wheel drive, very nicely equipped with features. This was once a new car in our inventory. We plucked it out of our new inventory and put it in loaner car service, so it was loaned out to our Infiniti service customers. One of the benefits of owning a new or certified pre-owned Infiniti is you get complimentary loaner cars for extended service days. So this one's been in our car all its life, and it was loaned out to our Infiniti service customers. And after about a year, we retire it, and it becomes for sale as a certified pre-owned vehicle. Only 8,367 miles at the time making this video, so it's still in really nice shape. Very well equipped with features, great sounding Bose audio system, power adjustable steering wheel that tilts and telescopes, universal garage door opener, an automatic dimming mirror. We have a dual display system. The top screen is for navigation. Parking camera has a 360-degree around view monitor, moving object detection, front and rear parking sensors. You can also change the views too. That one's good for parallel parking, so you don't curb up those nice wheels. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for apps and vehicle settings. Heated seats, heated steering wheel. That comes in very nice on those cold mornings and evenings. Beautiful color combination, white on black leather. Notice the nice contrast stitching, beautiful and very supportive seats in this Q60 all-wheel drive performance coupe. White is such an easy color to take care of. All the cars I own are white. And as an automotive veteran, I know how colors hold up, and obviously dark colors like black, they look beautiful, but they're hard to keep clean, and then surface imperfections, which inevitably are going to happen as years and miles roll along, are glaringly obvious on dark colors like black, especially in direct sunlight. Just the opposite of white. This one features a 3.0T engine, makes 300 horsepower. It's twin turbo for fuel efficiency and for maximizing horsepower. Being direct injection, it helps lower emissions and improve fuel economy as well, and maximizes horsepower for the size of the engine. This one features an intelligent all-wheel drive system, great for the wet, slippery weather we have in the Pacific Northwest. The reason why it's intelligent is because when all-wheel drive is not needed, 100% of the power goes to the rear wheels. As soon as those rear wheels start to slip, almost instantly it can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels. It also can split the power from left to right. Why would they want it to have it 100% rear-wheel drive as much as possible? Well, that helps improve gas mileage. That gives it the feel of a rear-wheel drive sports car. It is a performance automobile. It also helps a little bit with premature tire wear, which is sometimes an issue of all-wheel drive vehicles. This intelligent all-wheel drive system has been in Infiniti's product line for many years, and it's one of the most advanced all-wheel drive systems you can get on a production automobile. The VR30 engine is a new engine for 2016. Very smooth, very powerful. It features maintenance-free timing chains, so you never need to worry about the cost of replacing the timing belts. Those timing chains are zero maintenance, and they're designed to last the service life of the engine. This Q60 is built in Japan. Not all Japanese brands these days are built in Japan, but one reason why Japanese vehicles became so popular in the first place is because Japanese vehicles were known to have really good build quality, really good attention to detail. So if you value that in your Japanese vehicle, you're happy to know that this one is a real deal, built and assembled in Japan. And this one also comes with a 5-day money-back guarantee. It's also certified pre-owned, so you get all the benefits you normally get with a brand new Infiniti. And we also add a lifetime powertrain warranty on top of that. Come in, take it for a drive. I think you'll be very impressed.